Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the default search engine in Zen Browser. If you'd rather use Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Brave Search, or another search engine, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Zen Browser on your computer. Once the browser opens, click the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and click Search. Now you'll see the default search engine section. Click the drop-down menu next to Default Search Engine. A list of available search engines will appear, such as Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, Brave Search, and others. Simply click the search engine you want to use. Your new search engine will be saved automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. To confirm the change, open a new tab, type something into the address bar, and press Enter. Your search will now use the new default search engine you selected. If the search engine you want isn't listed, scroll down to the Search Shortcuts or Manage Search Engines section. From there, you can add or manage additional search engines if your version of Zen Browser supports it. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default search engine in Zen Browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.